Today I'm going to take you on a home tour of a gorgeous model home. It's built by Richmond American Homes located in Queen Creek. Hello friends, Alejandra here, your local Arizona real estate agent. This channel is all about living in Arizona, moving to Arizona, and real estate. So please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. If my team can answer any questions about real estate or Arizona, just book a call with us by easily going to zoomtoarizona.com. Okay, let's go check out this model home. It's absolutely stunning. Remember to stay until the end as I'm going to share with you more about the neighborhood and surrounding areas. The house has pavers for the driveway and a 3-car garage. It has a nice tall front door. As we enter, I notice the nice wide entryway. To the left is a hallway. Here is the laundry room. It's got the option of adding in a sink as shown here. Here is a bedroom that is nice sized with enough space to add a desk. This is actually a bedroom suite as it has its own bathroom. What's nice is this bathroom connects with another one. Here the vanity sink area is separate. There's the closet. Now we enter the toilet tub shower area. On the other side is the other vanity sink area. This connects to the other bedroom, so both bedrooms are bedroom suites as they have direct access to bathrooms. Heading down this hallway, here's the door to the garage, but since this is a model home, we can't enter. Here is another full bathroom. This one has a walk-in shower, but you can do a tub shower if you prefer. There's tiles to the ceiling and quartz countertops. Here's the third bedroom, another good size. Nice, large, separate dining area. As you can see, a long table can fit in the area. It had sliding doors to the side patio. The house has tile flooring throughout. Nice open floor plan. Kitchen has a large island. I love how big this kitchen is and all the counter space. This is modeled with 3 pendant lights, but you can change that to 2 or whatever preference you desire. There's a glass tile backsplash, 5-burner gas cooktop, wall oven and built-in microwave. In the island is the sink. It's nice, large, oversized sink, which is great for easily washing pans or larger items. We notice the matte black finishes throughout. This kitchen has a butler's pantry. I love when the kitchens have these. Here is the pantry. It's huge. I wish my pantry was this big. This butler's pantry has a sink, which is nice, so you can keep the main kitchen area more organized. Here is the eating kitchen area. Nice sized area to put a table, plus the island has plenty of space for adding stools. Now we enter the primary suite. This is a nice sized room. Here is the bathroom. I'm loving this built-in bench before you enter the shower. Glass tiles on the wall to the ceiling. Little built-in area to hold all the toiletries. We continue to see the matte black finishes throughout. This bathroom has split vanities. This is a nice sized primary closet. Quartz countertops. All of the bathrooms have the same quartz countertops on the vanities. Love those large size windows showing the backyard. Great for natural light. There's a built-in grill. This is an option. This is a large, nice sized lot. The average size lot in this community is 8,700, giving you plenty of space to design your outdoor area. I love the long covered patio. This house has plenty of room on the side of the house. There's even an oversized RV gate, allowing for more use of space on the side of the house. Wow, what a gorgeous house. This is the Julia floor plan. The neighborhood is called Westpark Estates and they have 7 different floor plans available. They range in size from 2,500 to 3,190 square feet. This one is 4 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms and starting price is $740,990,000. With Richmond American Homes, you're able to customize the homes, so they will all come with base options, but then you can go in and design. You could say, hey, I want this exact flooring, I want this backsplash, I want these cabinets, this color, these countertops. So it's a lot of fun, a lot of customization that you can do. Just keep in mind that each customization that you do is an option and is usually available at an additional cost. This is the first time ever that it's clearly a better decision to buy a new construction versus a resale house. The reason being, builders are discounting homes that are brand new construction are matching what a resale home costs. Sometimes they're actually costing even less. Not only that, the builders are giving you amazing incentives. They have below market interest rates. They have incentives where they basically give you money to cover your closing costs and so many other things, money towards design options. I could go on and on. Right now, Richmond American Homes is offering 4.75 locked interest rate on their quicker move-in homes. This means homes that are going to be closing soon. So it's not like you get to pick your lot, pick your options and build it. This is a home that could be ready for closing in 30 days or a few months. So definitely a great option. Another thing is they're offering incentives where they're giving buyers money for closing costs. So this builder is one to keep an eye on. And if you're thinking of new construction, reach out to me. I'm happy to help guide you on where they're located, what communities are available. This community also has a house with an RV garage. I get a ton of people asking me for this. The floor plan is called the Harley floor plan. If you're curious at all about that one, I'm going to link it above, so take a look and see, because I take you on a whole tour of this gorgeous house with RV garage. What really makes this home so amazing, besides the incredible design, the incentives, potentially low interest rate, is the neighborhood is located in Queen Creek, which has access to the Queen Creek Unified School Districts, which is one of the best school districts for all of Queen Creek and Santan Valley. So that is a major plus. Plus, this neighborhood connects directly to Mansell Oasis Park. This park is amazing. It's a huge public park. There's a lake for fishing, a splash pad for those hot summer months and days, a playground, all kinds of sport fields. A lot of the kids will play soccer and football here. There's a skate park, basketball court. I can go on and on. This park is amazing. And like I mentioned before, there's a lake you can fish at. I believe you need to be 10 years old or older, and you just have to go online and get a little permit. But they actually stock the lake regularly with fish so that you can come and fish. So definitely a cool experience. I mean, come on, how many places can you go to a park and then go fishing? You gotta check it out. And right down the street from this neighborhood is the Queen Creek Marketplace. This area is incredible. It's all kinds of shopping. There's even grocery stores. There's amazing restaurants, from, if you're in a hurry, In-N-Out, Chick-fil-A, to sit-down restaurants like Barrio Queen and so many other places. So the thought that this is 5-10 minutes away is another bonus. This area where this home is located is definitely a great place to live. So if you're thinking of buying a new construction home, I highly recommend this community. This builder is great. I've had many clients buy homes with them and they've been happy. I mean, gosh, the location, top tier schools, really, you cannot go wrong. This is definitely a great place to take a look at. I hope you found value in this video and that you liked it. If you did, make sure you literally like it, and better yet, comment. I would love to read what you thought about the video. And if there's a specific topic you want a video on, comment below. I'm happy to create that for you. If you're ready to explore getting into your own house, make sure you easily book a call with us by going to zoomtoarizona.com. If you've never heard of Queen Creek, you are missing out. You've got to check out the video that's going to come on next. It's all about living in Queen Creek. I break it down for you. Plus, my channel has a whole bunch of other videos that I highly recommend you check out on Queen Creek and other areas.